Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. So, it doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter about sometimes getting tested. I'm talking about SARS CoV 2. Even though the government is about to send out um, a certain amount of tests per household, it may not matter because almost the whole U.S. is lit up like a Christmas tree. And so the protocol remains the same, right? Whether you test positive or not, you got to wear one of these if you're out and about. And it doesn't matter. We have this thing that's like airborne AIDS, and we'll probably survive it. And just over time, our immune systems are going to go down and down, deteriorate a bit, because if it's like airborne AIDS, it attacks your T cells a lot. And so that's what we're going to have. So, more of a reason to not be unhealthy. And whatever other remedies, maybe they'll come up with a cocktail for it. And so, yeah, you just got to assume you're positive if you're in a hot spot, which is almost everywhere. And, you know, it's a slow moving virus out of the system for some. Sometimes when viruses, I know when I've been ill in the past, these viruses like me, it likes to cling on to me a bit. So, yeah. So, just wanted to rant a little bit about the situation, the Covi situation. And yeah. And these masks are not the best. Now it's another thing that's a little bit too late, along with the testing from the government. N95s, had they been prescribed, suggested, strongly recommended from the get go. But let me tell you, N95s suck. They are hard to wear. Comment below if any of you out there like to wear them, because they are challenging to wear. I mean, for a quick trip to the store, maybe, or quick if someone has to come over to fix something at your place or something like that. I don't know, but very quick. They are not easy to wear, so these masks, you know, they're probably not even working. And so, but they're, yes, it's better than nothing. And so, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Consider subscribing. This is just a rant on the situation. If you're going to go visit someone, maybe a home test, although the accuracy of that is in question, but it shouldn't be, because now they're going to start mailing out to every American household. So it should be, hopefully, some kind of accuracy of a higher percentage. So anyway, that's what it is. And let me know what you guys think. Consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, the like button. Smash the like button and leave any comments down in the description. What do you guys think? You think about any of this testing, masks, and if we are just living with this airborne AIDS, and we'll have surges and maybe windows of opportunity to go do stuff a little more freely, or is it just, it is what it is? All right. So let me know what you guys think. This is Rafi West reporting from Ground Zero, NYC. I'm somewhere in NYC. I call it Ground Zero because we always get the shit first, or we always get the shit. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think. This is Rafe West, everybody. Take care. Be safe. Most importantly, just be optimistic about this whole situation, because that's really the best thing that we have. All right? All right, everybody. Peace.